Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to change the sidebar color of OperaGX, whether you want a dark theme, vibrant accent or something custom. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your OperaGX web browser. Over here, you need to go to the settings of your device in the left hand section. Then in the settings itself here in the top, you are going to see the themes option. If you are not able to find it over here, I would recommend you to simply use the search bar in the left hand section and search for themes. Now once you search for themes, it is going to show you all of the themes that are available here. As you can see, currently I'm using the dark mode. That's why it is showing me all of the accents like in the dark mode. But you can also click on the option of light, and then you can just keep on clicking any one of these themes. You can also use this slider in order to explore more themes that are available here. By default, you are going to get the GX Classic, but you can select any of the themes that is given over here, whether you want dark or light. After clicking on the theme, it will be reflected here in the left hand section just like so. For example, let's say if I select here, as you can see, the theme has changed, and so the sidebar also changed. So if you see the sidebar of your choice here in the left hand section, it simply means that it is updated successfully. So once you are satisfied with the customization, just simply close the panel, or you can open a new tab here in the search bar. Now you can just simply take a look at how your settings are looking after applicable on your Opera GX web browser. So this is how you can change the sidebar color in Opera GX. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to press that notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching.